2025 Tesla Cybertruck. Earlier this week, as we awaited the introduction of the actual production vehicle of the Cybertruck, I jotted down some thoughts on Tesla's latest. The actual reveal was both better, at the top end, and worse, at the entry level, than anticipated. The truck that was introduced was far more capable than expected, with great specs, see below. But that Cyber Beast was a $100,000 top-of-the-line vehicle. If you want the entry-level model, aka the cheapest Cybertruck, well, bad news, it's 2 years away, is rear-wheel, not AWD, drive, and gets only 250 miles of range on a full charge. Oh, and prices start at $60,990, much higher than the original price of $39,900 when first introduced in 2019. What you can get now, or more accurately, sometime in 2024, are the dual motor and tri-motor Cyber Beast versions. The AWD Cybertruck will start at $79,990, and the 3-motor Cyber Beast starts at $99,990. Tesla says in 2025 it will be making 250,000 trucks annually, a very high target for a difficult-to-manufacture vehicle. I will be curious to see if they can hit that lofty target. Recall the original Cybertruck unveil, $39,900 base price, ready in 2021, 3,500-pound payload in a 6.5 feet bed, and a 14,000 pounds max towing, and a range of 500-plus miles for the top-end version, which was $69,900. Electrek notes Tesla missed all of those targets. Here are the specs, from the most to least impressive models. Tesla Cyber Beast, 2024. 0 to 60 miles per hour, 2.6 seconds. Range, 320 miles. Top speed, 130 miles per hour. 845 horsepower. Towing capacity, 11,000 pounds. Tesla Cybertruck AWD, late 2024. 0 to 60 miles per hour, 4.1 seconds. Range, 340 miles. Top speed, 112 miles per hour. 600 horsepower. Towing capacity, 11,000 pounds. Base Tesla RWD Cybertruck, 2025. Rear-wheel drive. 0 to 60 miles per hour, 6.5 seconds. Range, 250 miles. Top speed, 112 miles per hour. Towing capacity, 7,500 pounds. I am not the target audience for this pickup. Generally, I think it's gimmicky and ugly, lacking in the graceful lines I prefer in any automobile. But there are over 1 million reservations at $100 each, and it's $250 if you want to reserve one now. While I appreciate what Musk has done with SpaceX and in forcing the automobile industry to take zero emissions seriously, his other behavior is a bridge too far for me, so I am not a Tesla buyer. But Tesla has a very faithful client base, seemingly immune to the antics of its CEO. They collectively lent him $100 million interest-free since 2019 with all their deposits on Cybertrucks. I cannot believe this ugly, goofy, pricey truck will sell well. Just the looks alone disqualify it for me. But at the same time, I am unwilling to bet against Elon, who has proven his critics wrong time and again.